Hey everyone, Will Winter here with some Agent CRM updates for you. We're going to be covering in this video training accelerators, what is an accelerator, and Marketing Plus, just one specific area I want to focus on. Many of you are already aware of our lead generation solution, so let's dive in. First thing, Marketing Plus. If you are not aware, and just to recap, this is how we assist in lead generation. We've got pre-made ad templates. We've got a simplified ad launcher, extra goodies that we throw in. Google Ads is now live, if you're not aware. But one of the main things I want to highlight, weekly live ad review sessions. It is not enough to launch your ad. I've heard people all the time, oh, I launched an ad and it sucked. Bummer. That's not the end of the story. That's step one. We want to diagnose and check in on a regular basis. How is the distribution? How are the results? What do we need to tweak? You get regular, live, recurring access to our ad experts to make sure you are getting the bang for your buck. There is so many ways you can waste money in business. Ad spend is one of the biggest ones. We want to help you get great results, and that's part of what this program is all about. Access to experts, simplified ad launching, and assistance. So marketing.agent-crm.com is where you can find out more if you are not a user, but if you are actively using Agent CRM and the Marketing Plus upgrade, you can go to Marketing Plus resources. This is a new tab. A few months ago, we added this. If you do not see it and you are a Marketing Plus subscriber, please do reach out. Some of our earliest Marketing Plus users might not have been aware of this addition, and we want to get that plugged in. This is a central hub for Marketing Plus. You'll find the ad review session drop-in link. Currently, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 2:30 till 3:30 p.m. drop-in. We are adding additional sessions soon so that you always have access to make sure that you are getting effective results for your campaigns and you're getting the assistance you need. Marketing Plus, ad review sessions, please check them out. All right, training updates. Here's one of the things I hear all the time. How do I use this system? We all know it's great to have these tools available, but if you can't use them, that's useless. And we are making it easier and more accessible to find training and resources. There's some live stuff, but this here on-demand videos. If you go to new training videos, you'll find sort of a streaming library. All of our highlight strategies and courses, and you can see the Agent CRM training. That's the essential course, onboarding content in there too. This is a place you can find the content you need to make the most of each feature in the system. So the portal's new. We are actively updating these courses, especially Agent CRM training. Alyssa is uploading more tomorrow. So I know we are in the middle of huge renovations to our training assets. If you see something and you're thinking, man, that doesn't quite line up with what I'm seeing in my Agent CRM account, there have been so many updates. Yes, we are refreshing these videos. Feel free to reach out and say, hey, Will, I think this one is time to update this particular video, but no, we are on the job. So all the highlight content will be found in training video tab. Hopefully that is a huge resource and blessing to those who are using our system. Accelerators. What is an accelerator? This is another solution, another answer to the question, how do I use the system? We've been using this branding, these words for a while, and I thought, hey, we should probably do more to explain what is an accelerator. These are free workshops with very specific focuses. We did a holiday campaign accelerator. We're doing automate everything. We're going to do an ad review or an ad insights one coming soon. But these are free workshops. Again, you got to register. You got to get those reminders and show up. There will be a replay available. But this is another live opportunity to get training and also connect with Alex about some of the amazing strategies, put different areas of the system to use. Accelerate.agent-crm.com is where you can find the next one, March 7th. That's coming up. Or you can go to the training video tab. I have made shortcuts there. We'll blast this information all over the place. But please do join us or watch the replay so you can get even more value for the system and start scaling and automating in new ways this year. Last thing I want to mention, if you are curious about other opportunities, about promos, about Marketing Plus, about the affiliate program, there is a calendar. There is a live person available. Kat and Bob might be people that you connect with. Consult.agent-crm.com. There is tons of availability to have a one-on-one and see how you can move forward, add new things, get assistance. We've got a great one-on-one expert help program, and they can guide you through your options. Hope you are doing well. Give us any questions in the comments below. Bye for now.